Hello friends, today I am taking up a pen from Platinum and this is the Platinum President. In a typical pen in cigar shape made up of acrylic 18K gold nib, let's see what sets this apart. This is a cigar shaped pen as I mentioned. This one is maroon and I found it very pretty. The finial and the bottom are rounded, the clip is plated and you can see a distinctive rib in the center of this clip, and I find it decently and formally elegant. Now there is a small ring and a broad band at the base of the cap on which is etched Platinum President Japan. This unscrews to reveal the writing section, which has two small bands, one there and one at the bottom, and the nib. The nib of this I have described earlier on Izumo as well, and I had pretty good words about it. That was a medium nib and this is very distinctive. This is a C nib and we'll come to the special thing about this nib later on. I like the design on this. There are three lines coursing along the wing and meeting up in the center slit, nib slit, and the breather hole heart shaped, pretty good. The President is etched in tall fonts, which actually makes this font look pretty presidential. And you have a C nib written there. This is a 18 karat gold nib, the Platinum branding. So much to discuss about the nib. This is a cartridge converter and you find the proprietary Platinum converter there. Do not mistake this ring at the bottom to be a piston grip, this one to be a piston grip, because as you see this is not, it's a cartridge converter pen. Okay, so the size comparison will be taken by Professor Korn because he insisted, sir, please do the honors. So I've got a Platinum President and I've got two more pens, and I'll let you decide what sets the Platinum President apart. So I've got a Platinum President and a Sailor 1911, this is a Stormy Sea, this is Sailor 1911L, and a Mont Blanc 146. You see how different they are? Okay, now the only thing that I found different between these two pens, apart from this difference in the bottom round, is just this silver ring on the writing section. They are so goddamn similar. Now I have a question for the doctor. So doc, you tell me that if we cover the nationalities of different beings, don't you think deep down all of them are the same? I think you're forgetting the snowflake on the head. Okay. I think you'll have to also ignore the fact that the people sometimes try to attribute what's in their head sets them apart from others. But 146 is a piston filler. Don't you get my reference, or you are just simply trying to ignore me? Professor, all I want to do is to get on with the show because the attention span of the viewers is small, just like the short span of the ink in the Platinum President with the C nib. Yes, the C nib. Let's come to the writing part. Before I come to the writing part, let me just tell you about the posting with this pen. It posts pretty good and pretty securely, but I don't like to post because it would leave ring marks on the barrel. I'm good without it. So let me zoom it a bit. This is a Platinum This is some Sailor Ink Studio, I just don't remember, and I'll put it in the description if any of you is interested in. The numbers are so confusing. There was something I wanted to convey. This was a pen which I bought a long time back, and I didn't use this because otherwise I had to increase my font size a lot, which wasn't actually getting into my habit. But then this found a new favor when I discovered what I could achieve with it, like this. So the reverse writing with the C-nib has given me an opportunity to use this pen for dual purpose. On the forward writing, I tend to use it for making headings, and on the reverse writing, I use it for subheadings. So with a big blob of tipping, I get to empty the cartridge as Professor Kohn said, and fill it fast, as he was saying that there's a short span of ink fill, and then turn this over and I start using it as a reverse writer. Now what I get to enjoy is the fine line with it as well, and this gives the characteristics of the different characteristic of the ink which I am using. In my practice, I use this to write diagnosis on the forward scale, and on the reverse I mention the clinical findings in my write-up and consultations, and I find that going for me, which is good. So at this cost, I got it somewhere around 11 to 12k Indian rupees. It's a good acrylic pen with a good nib, but the design doesn't set it apart from the other pens, that's for sure. And the nib of the Platinum is always the distinctive feature, and in this case a C-nib is no less in that game. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you soon.